Hello, welcome to 3D Printing with Wayne. Today I just want to show you this little Dragon bowl that I printed. Printed it on a Bambu Lab H2C. The filament is Bambu Lab's PLA matte and charcoal. And he turned out very well. To give you an idea of size, and I didn't resize this thing anything. He's about 6 inches wide, about 4 inches tall. Of course you could resize him if you wanted to, but that's the size of the file. And they turned out really well. I'm thinking about printing another one and give him his eyes some color. I did a video previously of this dragon planter that I did, and I gave him his eyes, I made them red. Gives him a nice little pop of color. But I'd really like it if you give me some suggestions of what you would do to add this little guy a pop of color. I like the matte charcoal color for his body, but he needs a little touch of color somewhere. Tell me what you think you would do. And anyway, if you do all those things, you know, subscribe to my channel, click like, share, all those things. It would make it a lot easier for you to find my other videos, and I plan to do a lot about planters and just all sorts of things you can do. And just as a side note, I've done a lot of dragon things, and these are the only two I've got right now, because when I show them to friends and family, they're like, can I keep it? And I let them keep it. I figure I can always print another one. But anyway, at this point, I'd just like to say thank you for visiting 3D Printing with Wayne, and we hope you have a great 3D day.